losing it. Ooh, oh, oh. Just got out of my first day of work, baby. Yeah, I'm out of UPS now. I couldn't transfer, so I'm doing this landscaping gig, and it was fun, dude. Let's go. I get along with. It's funny, the other dude's actually named Hunter, and he's a cool dude. But anyways, yeah, I actually decided to put my Alpine Stars jacket on today. I don't know why. I was feeling going safe today. I don't know.
Stop the cap.
2 seconds later.
I should wear this jacket more often because it's got a lot of padding, and that's what I bought it for. But the gloves, you know. But yeah, I hope it don't rain. Shit. And yeah, this tire still feels so. It feels so good, dude. Where you guys want to go? You guys want to get on the highway? I want to get on the highway because yeah. Oh yeah, and you guys can see. Oh wait, wrong side. Hang on. Right here. Woohoo! Got the little 360, baby. I'm hyped about that. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little motovlog today. I don't really have a topic today. I just really wanted to get out because I didn't ride yesterday, and I love riding. We got the tunes in too, so I'm gonna put those bitches on when I go on the highway. But yeah, hope you guys are having a good day today, or a good night if you're watching this at night. But yeah, I want to say thank you for all the support so far too. You guys have been popping off. Hey, thanks for 3K, baby. I don't think we hit it last video. So yeah, thanks for all the support. We're at like 3.2 or something almost now. So yeah, keep running that shit up. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep grinding for you guys, keep posting videos. I'm gonna try at least do videos at least every other day or something, or every 2 days. Because now that I'm working again, it's gonna be a little bit harder, but I'm gonna still try grinding for you guys. I don't know, I'm feeling good today though. Just happy to be out riding, for real. Just living in South Carolina. Alright, I'm gonna put my music on, I'm just gonna vibe, for real. Okay, my camera's still on, we're chilling. Let's go! Good vibes today, baby. I need a steering stabilizer, dude! Every time I shift, it gets wobbly. I'm gonna try shifting without my... like this. Yeah. Like a quick shifter almost. Baby, let's go. don't even know where I'm going, but gotta make sure there's no ops on my tail, you heard? I haven't seen a lot of cops out here really either. Whew. Gosh, should I get mirrors or not? I don't know if I should put them back on. I mean, my parents are telling me to. I probably should, but it looks so good without them. Was that a cop? Should we catch him? My camera didn't fall off, so that's good. I think it's still recording. I don't know. Oh, shit. My boss. Oh, what's up, Graham? Good, how are you? I just heard the call. I was on my bike, so I pulled over. Alright, we're back, baby. We back, baby. See, look. What employee answers their phone while they're riding? I do. I'm that guy. Better not be any nails in here. I'm gonna be pissed. Especially with 2 brand new tires. Yeah, guys, let me know how you like just like motovlogs too without topics. I think he wanted me to pop it up, but I can't pop it up. Better close your door, buddy. God, you freaking hear about that Dwayne Haskins story, dude? How he freaking died? That shit's crazy. On the highway, too. Some truck hit him or something, I guess. Just blows my mind. Where am I at? Can I get out of here? I don't need to get out of here. But yeah, guys, my oil light came on for like 2 seconds the other day when I started it up, and then it turned off again. So I don't freaking know. I don't know. I think it might be a sensor. I looked it up, but I might just go get my oil changed anyway, just because, you know, I don't really want to risk it. I want to practice some more wheelies. That was sketchy. I got a cramp. No cops. That's balance point, baby. Let's go. Ah. Oh my god, is that an R8? Ah. Ah. I'm losing my shit. Dude, I saw an R8 the other day at when we went downtown, and that's like one of my dream cars that I want to get. They're so dope. I want to follow them. It's so sick. That was a good wheel though, huh? Balance point, huh? Balance point, huh? That was nice. If I knew how to shift, I'm just so afraid to shift because once I did it one time and I went to go shift and it just threw me back. I don't know why, because I let off the gas too. Oh, I gotta see this. All right. Oh, it's beautiful too. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm literally just gonna follow him. This little R8 and R6 action. Oh my god, it's so sick. I don't know what year that is. It looks newer though, for sure. Watch, I'm gonna need gas, then I'm gonna have to pull off. Oh my gosh. Come on, rev it. Let's hear a scream, baby. Come on. Do something with it. I hate people that drive, like they have a sports car and they drive it like drive it like it's stolen. Come on. I hate when they drive it like grandmas. God, that thing's sick. Oh, this dude's boring. This is the most lame R8 in history, bro. Although there's not really room to rip it, but still. He didn't rev it or anything for me. Oh my god, that thing's sick. That thing's so dope. I want this video being like really long. I think I know where I'm at. I can get on the highway from here for sure. Yeah. Coming in hot, baby. My mom's gonna kill me when she sees me doing this shit. What are with these squatted? There's so many squatted like trucks and shit in South Carolina, and it's so stupid. Like, I don't get the point. Where we go, right or left? Right. Left. It doesn't even feel like I'm going fast. It feels like I'm going like 60. It literally feels like I'm going slow. It's so weird. That's what's bad about these things. Like you look, like you don't even realize you're going that fast until you look down. You're like, oh shit, I'm going this fast. Right, damn. I mean, that's why it's so dangerous. Is that a cop too? I hate Ford Explorers. They're like all cops. I don't know if it's a cop. I definitely don't think it is. We're gonna blow past them though. Yeah, buddy. That's probably it. That was just gonna be a long video already. Hey, and if you stayed all the way to the end, type like type I love Hunter or something. That means you OG, baby. Thanks for staying. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.